Hey guys, with Final Fantasy 15 coming to PC soon and the release of their benchmark tool, I wanted to make a video covering the performance you could expect with the GTX 1080. If you only want to see the results, you can skip ahead to the charts at the end of the video. I will throw a benchmark in the description. First off, the game appears from the benchmark to be very intensive to run. I tested several resolutions with my GTX 1080 at both the high and standard presets, and even standard was quite difficult to run. If you plan to pick up the benchmark and run it yourself, be aware that the benchmark by default only allows you to run at 1280 by 720, 1920 by 1080, and 3840 by 2160. If you want to run at any other resolutions like 1440p or ultra wide, you'll need to write some command line tools to handle this for you. But never fear, I went ahead and wrote some batch scripts to help you guys run at any res, so check the video description for a link to those. Alright, enough of my blabbering, on with the benchmark.
Easy now. Thanks for the ride. We'll meet again.